Do you know why majority of retail traders do not make consistent profits in stock market? Because they trade based either on their gut feelings, hearsay, or by blindly following someone. Profitable traders do detailed analysis to understand what price points to enter or exit a stock or when to sit still. They do not let their emotions like fear, greed, fear of missing out, impatience drive their trading decisions. It's your hard-earned money, so trade smart. Stop trading based on emotions or by blindly following someone. Trade like professionals, when you play their game. Welcome to StoxFactor. StoxFactor aims to empower retail traders like you to make data-driven trading decisions. With StoxFactor dashboard, you gain access to data points and indicators that have been accessible only to celebrated analysts or players with deep pockets. Now know and see what the big and smart players have always known. StoxFactor aims to create level playing field for individuals like you. We believe that everyone has the right to financial education irrespective of what you do for your living, and therefore, through our YouTube channel we provide completely free stock market education with contents that are sold to you for thousands of rupees. For more details, visit our website www.stoxfactor.com and our YouTube channel StoxFactor.